Hi, how you doing, folks? I'm Kurt Mulway with the Atco Acorn. I'm here with Dr. Rupal Patel Kaistha at Jersey Eye Associates, 462 White Horse Pike, Atco, New Jersey. And her phone number is 856 322 2529, or you can go on the website at jerseyeyes.com. How you doing, Dr.
Very
Kaistha?
well.
Good?
Very well. Thanks for making the time for this,
Oh,
Kurt.
you're welcome. You're welcome. So, tell us about yourself first.
Okay. As Kurt said, my name is Dr. Rupal Patel Kaistha. I am originally from, or my family's from India. I was born in Africa, Zambia specifically, so I have lived a little bit everywhere. Lived in Zambia as I was a child, lived in India, grew up with my grandparents, and then we moved to the United States. So I lived in Texas, moved to Canada, ended up in New York for optometry school, where I met my lovely husband, who has been in my life for the last 17 years. And after schooling, we moved to Marlton, and currently I live with my husband and three girls in Morristown, New Jersey. And I'm trying to make a home away from home in Atco.
That's really interesting. So, tell us about your optometry business here in Atco.
Well, so this is an optometry practice, which means we offer comprehensive eye care needs to all our patients of any age. You can come 1 day old to as old as they go. And we offer comprehensive eye exam, which means that we are checking your eyes for prescription for glasses, for contact lenses, for any other, specialty needs. And we, as you can see, also offer eyeglasses. We have a great sunglass collection coming up, and contact lenses in my office. So we provide all of these services for all my patients.
So, let me ask you this, and here's the big question. People are worried about price and paying for it, not sure what's going on with their insurance. Do you pre-check insurance? How's that all work?
All right. So that's a great question, Kurt, because a lot of patients do get frustrated when they walk in and they realize, oh, now I owe like $300 for exam, and that doesn't even include glasses or contacts. So we collect information, insurance information from all our patients before they come in. And usually patients, for the most part, don't realize this, but you have two different types of insurances. You have a medical insurance and a vision plan. The vision plan is what usually covers your routine eye exam, which includes your eyeglass prescription check, contact lens exam sometimes is covered by these plans, but not all plans cover everything. And then sometimes they also give you benefits towards your eyeglasses or contact lenses. And then your medical insurance, on the other hand, covers any other visit. Let's say you have headaches, let's say you have floaters you're seeing, you start seeing flashes of light, or your diabetes or your blood pressure is causing changes. So you can come with that medical insurance anytime as long as your insurance allows it. So what we like to do is check to see whether you have that vision plan or not, if you have eligibility, if you have the benefits, and if not, if my patients are not covered or don't have insurances, we actually offer a pretty good discounted price and glasses discount also.
So, no financial surprises.
No financial surprises, and I understand there is a life beyond your eyeglasses and your contact lenses, so we'll work with you if necessary.
What sets you apart from other places? There's a lot of chain places, this and that. You see stuff on it. You get 75 pairs of glasses for $29.99. Just crazy, outrageous things.
Right.
So really, what really, honestly, like, what sets you apart? Why come to a local? Besides the fact that you're supporting a local business, why come to a local, this place here, and instead of one of those chain places or whatnot?
Right. No, that's a great question. So I used to actually work for corporate. I have been out of school for 17 years, been doing this in this area for 17 years, and I have worked for many different doctors. I have worked for corporate America, and I decided to create this type of practice, have a very strong say in philosophy of how I approach my patients, because I didn't want to be told how to treat my patients. I didn't want to be told it's a bottom line at the end of the day, please sell these products, and forego of that share time with the patients. So what sets me apart is my philosophy of how I treat all my patients. Every patient, no matter who comes in, no matter what insurance you have, is treated the same way. Every patient gets the same service. You get comprehensive eye exam. I will listen to your needs. I will listen to your complaint, and I will try my best to address. And if I'm not the right person, I will send you in the right direction. Second thing is looking at all the glasses. You know, I may not have the biggest collection, but I will have the best quality here.
They are. I see some of the names, and they are really good names.
Thank you.
And
Yeah.
good quality. And that's a friend of mine, a coworker we were talking about, you know, and I asked him the question just, and he said, the thing is, you go to some of those places that, you know, tell you this and that, and the problem is you have your glasses and the frames are cheap, and
Yeah.
that's why you get them so cheap, and then they're falling apart on you. It's better to just get a good quality. So this is from a guy who's been wearing glasses for 30 some years.
Yeah, and so have I. I've been wearing glasses since I was 12 years old. So quality makes a big difference. My parents were really hardworking. They had 4 kids, 3 out of which had to wear glasses and contacts. So quality was a huge issue for us growing up because we didn't want to waste their money or ours, right? But we stand by a quality of what we provide. We work with a really great lab local in New Jersey that makes the lenses that go in our frames. And you know, he may not be the cheapest, but he is the fairest of all, and he does a really good job, and we've had great experience with him.
Well, speaking of that, how about I go over here? I'm going to flip the camera around,
Okay.
and I'm going to follow you, and you're going to give us a little tour.
Perfect.
Okay.
Welcome to my little practice here.
Okay, so here we go.
All right. This is where our front entrance is. You know, we have a modest little waiting area over here, our front desk. Hopefully one day I will have a beautiful front desk personnel who will help us through everything. Still hiring and looking. This is our little optical area, and our optical area where the optician adjusts glasses. This is our optical area where we have various different types of frames to
There
select
are a
from.
lot, and there's some good. What are the names? I see like Oakley up there.
We have
and-
Oakley, Timberland, we have Joseph Abboud, we have BB, Anne Klein, Calvin Klein, we have Ray-Bans. We have many different styles for children, and if we don't have something you like, I will do my best to get them for you.
And
Alright.
you're pretty good. I'm not a fashion guy. You help me pick out They're not ready yet, but you help me pick out glasses.
I did, and he's gonna look sharp in what he has.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so
Come
here
on
we
in.
go. We're continuing with the tour.
All right, so this is our little pre-screening room. We have state-of-the-art equipment that we recently purchased to measure the cornea, which is the front skin of your eye, for your prescription. We have another machine called the OCT. It allows me to analyze your retina, which is the back of your eye, and I'm checking for any signs of macular degeneration, glaucoma, diabetes-related bleeding. I am also looking for any signs of health-related concerns. This right here is a machine that allows me to measure your peripheral vision if there were any signs of macular degeneration or glaucoma. And if you can come on back, this is where all the magic happens. This is one of the 2 exam lanes we have with, again, state-of-the-art equipment, and allows me to do a full comprehensive eye exam here. And we have contact lenses, so if you were to come here for contact lens exam, you wouldn't walk out of here without trials. If I have them in your prescription, you go home with something in your hands. And this is a little slide of what I use to educate my patients. If you have any questions, I love using pictures and I love answering questions.
Okay, great. So, is there anything else you want to tell our audience before we leave them?
Yeah, so you had asked me earlier what sets me apart. You know, as I said, I've been in this area for 17 years. We have created some great relationship with a lot of local specialties. So these are specialists who do surgeries in your eyes, and you have different types of specialists that you need to take care of cataracts, bleeding in the back of your eye, retinal detachment, or a hole in the back of your eye, or keratoconus or corneal issues. And because we've come to learn and get to know a lot of these specialists at a personal level and professional level, I have made great relationships. So I trust the people I work with, I trust the people I send my patients to. And if there's anything I can't help with, you know, I will do my best to get you the right person. I also fit a lot of specialty contact lenses, which means that if you're not a candidate for your traditional soft contact lenses, if you have a really high prescription, if you have a complicated prescription, if you have something called keratoconus, we do a lot of those specialty types of lenses that a lot of other regular practices may not offer.
Can you give us the address again at Jersey Eye Associates and your contact info real quick?
Yeah, so we are Jersey Eye Associates, and my address here is 462 White Horse Pike. We are in Atco. We are at the crossroads of Bartram Avenue and the Pike. We are right next to Tom's Auto Shop. That seems to be a big landmark for a lot of locals here.
Yeah.
And this used to be Dr. Miano's practice also. So she still comes here. Dr. Miano is an ophthalmologist who is wonderful, and I refer my patients for cataract surgery to her. So she's here a couple times a month. And our phone number here is 856-322-2529. You can text me or call me here, and I'll do my best to get back to you.
All right, thank you, Dr. Kaistha.
You got it.
And this is Kurt Mulway with the Atco Acorn. Thank you very much for watching. Bye now.
Thank you.